Foxpak, pioneers in flexible packaging. Since 2001, Foxpak's innovative packaging facility has helped thousands of brands add value through bespoke, flexible packaging solutions. At Foxpak, we take care of the total flexible packaging lifecycle, from concept and launch to scaling and end-of-life packaging. With over 20 years' experience, our expert sales team will advise you of the right packaging solution for your product. Foxpak offer a wide range of packaging formats and materials to suit all products and applications. Our digital print prototypes and physical print proofs allow our customers to fully test design concepts before committing to production. Design sets brands apart. Our pre-press department works closely with clients to ensure effective brand visibility and unique designs. Foxpak's highly skilled print operators ensure that your print quality always exceeds expectations. Our high-speed lamination process allows us to provide specific material blends tailored to keep your products fresher for longer. We provide bespoke sizing and precision packaging through our in-house slitting capabilities. Our state-of-the-art pouch-making machines allow us to offer fully customizable and versatile packaging. Foxpak is a BRC Grade AA manufacturing facility. All of our products must pass stringent inline quality procedures. We take care of suppliers and supply chains, so you don't have to. And when you're ready to expand, we're on hand to offer stock management and holding services to allow your stock to be delivered on demand. Foxpak was built on an ethos of innovation. Today we export nearly 70% of our product to hundreds of customers all over the world. Our ambition is to become a world leader in sustainable packaging. Our Generation Green range of sustainable packaging is a step towards this goal for us and our customers. Foxpak, pioneers in sustainable flexible packaging.